Now, this is the part 2. Message to CDS, Olufemi, Oluyede, and Justice Omotosho. Now, like I was saying, Asari Dikibo is walking free today, even after confirming that they use trailers to move bones and skeletons and skulls. He made it, it's a live broadcast. He's walking free. Now, what have Nnamdi KANU done? Nnamdi KANU have done nothing but to demand for freedom for his people. It is a well-known fact that Igbos have been marginalized, have been killed. Now, why we are calling Justice Omotosho is don't heighten the tension between the Igbos and the Yorubas, because you are about to make history. You are about to make history to jail an innocent man, a man that demanded for his freedom, which is within his rights as a citizen of this country. That young man has a family. I want you to consider his family, his wife, and his children. That man has been incarcerated for close to 5 years now. So he is watching his son grow from afar. If he is still with his wife from 2014 till date, he has been in and out of prison, being jailed by the Nigerian government for doing nothing. Now, there are certain Yoruba group today that has written a letter to the United Nations. They have come out in television to demand for a Yoruba nation. Nobody have arrested them. Nobody has queried them. Now, Nnamdi KANU has never been seen with a gun or with anything. He even said he wants to get his freedom in a non-violent manner. Now, I want you to look at other judges that have seen this case, even some that have rejected this case. Now, what attracted you to take this case? Because this young man has said he has no case to answer, and you are threatening that you will foreclose the case. Now, when you foreclose the case, that means you are going to deliver your judgment. Sir, I don't want you to make history. Let me remind you of some people that has made history. Someone like Chief Obafemi Awolowo. It's a well-known fact that the Civil War was actually caused by a coup that was carried out to free Chief Obafemi Awolowo. All of a sudden, it was termed an Igbo coup, and innocent Igbo men and women, majorly South, and Southeast, were killed. They did nothing. That genocide has not been discussed in this country. It is buried. All we get to hear is they killed I don't know how many people that were killed in that coup. Maybe, I don't know if there are up to 100 people. But over 30,000 citizens of Igbo origin were killed. This country does not deem it fit to discuss it. Innocent people, they did nothing. After that, we've had several kills in this country, and no tribe has been attacked for that. Now, after the genocide, Ojukwu released Chief Obafemi Awolowo, and we tried to say, okay, let us try regional government, which is what the Southwest is clamoring for today. But Awolowo betrayed Ojukwu and went into war. He became the finance minister. I want to tell you the history he made. Awolowo made history to be the man to use hunger as a weapon of war. That is the mystery. What he did to the Igbos. He said you cannot be fighting with somebody and be feeding that person fast. And he also said all is fair in war, including even if it is war crime. So he actually used war crime on the Igbos, and over 1 million children died. Those children's blood is on the head of Awolowo. These are the facts nobody wants to say, because when you say the Yorubas will come out and attack, I don't really care, because